Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start planning for retirement with Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your financial documents, including income statements, expenses, and current investments. Calculate your total net worth by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. Next, determine your retirement goals. Ask yourself what lifestyle you envision during retirement. Consider factors like travel, hobbies, and healthcare needs. Now, estimate how much money you will need to fund your retirement. Use online calculators to project your required retirement savings based on your desired lifestyle. Once you have a target savings number, evaluate your current savings plan. If you're not yet saving, start by contributing to a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA. Fidelity offers various retirement planning tools to help you get started. Open a Fidelity retirement account if you don't already have one. Choose between options like a traditional IRA or Roth IRA based on your tax situation and retirement goals. Consider increasing your contributions over time, especially if you receive additional income. Next, familiarize yourself with investment options available through Fidelity. Explore mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles that match your risk tolerance. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk while maximizing growth potential. Set up automatic contributions to ensure consistent saving habits. Review your retirement plan regularly to adjust your contributions and investment strategies as needed. Utilize Fidelity's retirement planning resources, such as financial advisors or online tools, for personalized guidance. Stay informed about changes in tax laws and retirement account rules that could affect your savings strategy. As you approach retirement age, reassess your goals and adjust your investment strategy to preserve capital. Plan how you will withdraw funds in retirement based on your expected expenses. Consider creating a withdrawal strategy that minimizes taxes while ensuring sufficient income. Lastly, remember that retirement planning is an ongoing process. Continue to monitor your progress and make adjustments as your financial situation and goals evolve. With Fidelity's resources and a solid plan in place, you can work towards a secure and fulfilling retirement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.